Next on Turnin Rust, Operation Metro Build is in full throttle as the guys lower the altitude on a 1954 International Metro van. Follow along as they design and fabricate the custom framework, allowing this belly-scraping roadkill recovery vehicle to live again. In the midst of cut metal and molten welds, they receive a call from Maxed Trailers, a local business with an opportunity to make things a lot smoother down the road. While putting their new trailer to the test, they venture into Oklahoma to pick up a lost and lonely 1956 Cadillac on its last leg. One might say, a donor car by far. Getting back into Texas, Lance is able to seal the deal on a 2-year struggle to buy a 1959 BMW Isetta. A salvation had been made in a small northeast Texas town, giving hope to a car that hadn't seen the light of day in over 30 years. Back at the shop, Wyatt and Lance give a warm Texas welcoming to their newfound Danish friends as they fly overseas from Denmark. Looking to embark on a new business venture, the crew agrees to help transform a recently acquired international step van into a mobile handbag hauler. Join in and follow along as negotiations get tense and the sun sets on the build of this one-off custom air ride beauty queen, giving the past a future while serving God and building rods, here at Turnin Rust.